Hi, Alistair here. Just want to run through this wallpaper calculator with you. As an example, we're just going to do this room here. Basically, it is a tiled room, as you can maybe see the tile outlines on that, but we're just going to pretend it is um, a wallpaper room. Okay, so all we do here, sorry, I've just got to change that. Okay, so all we do here is the length is, so for instance, wall 1, we'll pretend this is wall 1, wall 2, wall 3, wall 4, right? So we'll go wall 1, so the length is 3.5, 2.7, wall 2 is 2.3, 2.7. Okay, cool, and the other walls are the same, so we'll just do 31.32 square meters there. Okay, so we've got a small window here. Not 100% sure what the size of that window is, but just say it's 1 meter by 1 meter, and the door is I think 2.2 by 1. Okay, cool. So deduct any windows, deduct any doors, deduct any openings. That might be openings that aren't windows or doors, and then the rebates around the window. We'll say that they're 0.2. So and then the door as well, so there's 0 around the door because the door sits flush with the wall, and obviously no openings. Okay, so in total we've got 28.92 square meters to cover. We're going to say a waste allowance of 10%, which brings us up to 31.812 square meters. Okay, so here's how you work it out. So how many rolls do I need? Okay, so let's find out what paper you want to use. So basically I've just come over to this website here and typed in wallpaper. It's the first one that comes up. So 52 centimeters wide and 10 meters long. So let's add that in here. So it's 10, 0.25. Okay, so it's 5.2 square meters every roll. That means we're going to need 7 rolls to complete this square area. Okay, so and then all we do then is enter in 64, which is the price, $64.50. $64.50. Okay, so that means that the cost of the wallpaper is going to cost us $451.50. Okay, so when we're looking at the paste for the area, the adhesive paste, so we go basically. So this is a wallpaper paste here. So we'll say, for instance, I think it's a pre-mixed one. So we'll say $20.40. So okay, so $20.40. We've already got that in there. Okay, and usually it says here what the coverage is, like how many square meters it covers, but it doesn't. So I've just gone onto the actual website to find that. Okay, so 3 to 4 rolls or 20 square meters. Okay, cool. So if we put in 20 square meters there, that means that we need 2 bags of adhesive paste, which are $20.40 each, which means $40.80. So the total cost of that is the wallpaper and the adhesive added together, and basically that's a cost of $492.31. And then when you work that out over to square meters, it's $17.02 per square meter. So yeah, that's a pretty simple calculator. It should help you in working out how much you need for your project, and as well, obviously, the cost of doing your wallpaper project. So thanks very much. If you like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. We do quite a few of these different things as well that will help you out in your DIY projects. All right, thanks now. Bye.